Hello everyone and welcome back to Aries Cupcakes. As promised in my last video where I showed you how to make this beautiful cupcake bouquet centerpiece for Thanksgiving, I'm also going to show you how to make my favorite dessert for the holiday, sweet potato pie. So yummy, so delicious, and so easy to make. I can't wait to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get right into making these pies.
Here's what you will need. First, I'm going to mix together my sugar, eggs, and butter and whisk on a low speed. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add brown sugar, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, and a squeeze of half a lemon to my cooked and chopped sweet potatoes, and whisk together, again on a low speed. I will now add half of my butter mixture to the potatoes and whisk again. Repeat this step. Place your pie crust onto your pie pans evenly. Pinch or twist the edges of the crust. Once I'm done, I'm going to place my pie crust in the oven on 350 for just a few minutes. Now it's time to add the batter into the pans. You notice I've placed foil around the crust of my pies. I will remove the foil for the last 10 minutes of baking. Bake the pies on 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. You will know the pies are finished when they start to puff up. And we're done! Delicious sweet potato pie.
Thank you all so much for tuning in today. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed these tutorials as much as I enjoyed making them for you. If you try any of them out for yourself, let me know how they turned out. You can leave a comment below. You can leave a comment on my blog at ariescupcakes.com or on Instagram at Aries_Cupcakes or on Facebook at Aries Cupcakes. As always, I have to remind you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on future tutorials, especially throughout the holiday season. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I can't wait to see you back again soon. Bye-bye. Let me take a bite of this pie. So good.